Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out this new little pump that Auxito sent me. It's supposed to go up to 150 psi, has a little light on it, a lot of attachments. I'll show you the unboxing in another clip. Basically all you do is hold it on, turn on, LEDs turn on. My desired pressure is 37.5 pounds. I let some pressure out just to give you guys an idea of how long it'll take to fill about 5 pounds of air pressure. It's got a quick release hose on it with a little locking mechanism. So they just basically go in like this, turn it, and now you have your pump. So let's see how well this thing does. So now we're all hooked up. We're showing 33 pounds. It's kind of hard to read. Let me see if I could zoom in a little bit. 33 pounds of pressure. We have it set to 37.5. So I'm going to do like a little elapsed time so you don't have to wait the whole time. We'll see how long it takes to fill 5 pounds if you have like a low tire situation. So all you have to do from this point is just press the button and you're good to go. So there you go. To do about 5 pounds, it took, what was that, started at about 1.5 minutes to do 5 pounds of pressure. So it's great for quick fills. If you have like a major flat, obviously it's not going to be worth it for that. Great for bicycles. It has all presets. When I get it out of the sun, I'll show you how the presets work. But you know, for the money, it's a cool little pump. You keep it in your car. You could also charge your phone from it. It's got an extra charging port, it's got the light, and I'll show you that right after this. So like I was saying, it has all different settings. Right now it's on car. It's still a little hard to see. I could see clear. The camera's just having a hard time picking it up, but you can see the car icon there. And then you could have all your presets. That's for a small bicycle, that's for a larger bicycle, that's for basketballs and, you know, different stuff like that. Maybe volleyball, soccer ball, whatever. So it's got a whole bunch of presets that you can go to. Like I said, quick release here, which works pretty good. Pops right out. And then you have your light, which would be this button here. It's pretty bright. Different modes and charging port, like I was saying. Pretty small, compact. You can keep it in your car. It actually works as a charger. It does pretty much everything you would need it to do. I wouldn't use it for big heavy work, but it definitely gets the job done if you need just to fill up real quick, keep it in your glove box or whatever. So overall, pretty cool buy. I think it's like 79 bucks, something like that. I could throw it in my description. The company actually sent this to me for free to test it out. So far so good. I use it to charge my to refill my bicycle tires. Work great for that. I just showed you guys how it worked on a full-size car tire. You know, about 1.5 minutes to fill it 5 pounds. I mean, if you're in a pinch, 1.5 minutes is a lot better than driving to a station to get air. So overall, cool little tool. Feels nice and solid in the hand. I give it a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do a review in the future, see how well it holds up. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Take care.